welcome back to Vigor. I hope you guys are doing good. Where are you going?
I am going to work out.
With a backpack?
Yes.
How?
I will show you how. Hey guys, this is Vigor. We are back with the backpack workout. This backpack will boost our resistance to work your whole body. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
And as we always say, don't just move effectively.
Now to create some resistance in your backpack, you're going to take a folded bed sheet and place all the books that are going to act as weight on top of each other on the bed sheet. Now this allows the books to be stacked up properly and to not move here and there when you're exercising. These are going to just fix your resistance inside the bed sheet. Now place the same stack of books inside the bag and your resistance is created. Now before starting the exercise, make sure your straps of the backpack are equally tightened from both the sides, meaning there should be equal weight on your shoulders. Now to start with the squat, keep your feet shoulder width distance, your toes turned out slightly. You're going to push your hip back and then lower it down. Inhale as you go down and exhale as you come up. Do not forget to squeeze your glutes at the top.
You're going to start with your feet at hip width apart. Take your left foot forward, go straight down into a lunge. Use your left quad and your left glute to come back up. Now make sure you are inhaling while you're going down and exhaling while you're coming up. Repeat the same thing with the other leg also. Make sure your core is engaged and your hips are level while doing the lunges.
Start with the exercise, come into a kneeling down position, knees at hip width distance. Now step up into a squat with the right foot first and then your left. Your core should be engaged throughout. Then come down with the right again and then your left knee. Now don't forget to repeat the same thing with the other leg. Inhale as you kneel down and exhale as you squat up.
Start in a supine position with your feet parallel to each other. Place the bag on the hip bones. Now make sure there's equal weight on both of your hip bones. You're going to exhale and lift your hips up in the air, keeping your spine in a neutral position, and inhale as you lower your hips down back to the ground. Make sure you squeeze your glutes on the top.
Before starting the exercise, make sure you're gripping the bag properly with both your hands. The weight is supposed to be in the center of your bag. You're going to kneel down with your knees together and you're going to lift your hip up and hands overhead at the same time. Squeeze your glutes as you lift your hip up and get your hands overhead at the same time. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. To begin with the exercise, grip the bag properly with both your hands. Stand with your feet hip width distance. You're going to exhale and lift your hands up only till shoulder level and inhale and drop your arms down. Make sure you're doing it with control. Do not shrug your shoulders and curl your wrist while lifting the weight up and lowering it down.
Now to start with, you have to get into a plank position with your hands slightly wider than the shoulder width. Now keeping your elbows diagonally out to the side, take your body down in a straight line while inhaling and exhale, come up. Now keep your head aligned with your spine and make sure you're pressing equally with both of your hands.
To resume with the exercise, keep your feet hip width distance, standing into a neutral position. Now hold the back properly with both your hands. You're going to exhale and curl your forearms up using your biceps and inhale as you lower your forearms down. Make sure your elbows are stable throughout the exercise and you're not curling your wrist in and out.
To start with your feet at the shoulder width, keeping your knees softly bent, you're going to hinge your hips back, lean your torso forward. Now you have to exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades together, tighten your lats on the top, inhale and bring the back down.
To start with the exercise, grip the back properly with both your hands. Stand with your feet hip width distance in the neutral position. You're going to bend your forearms and lower the weight down towards the mat and exhale and straighten your hands fully up. Make sure your elbows are not moving back and forth and your wrist is not curling. Your breathing is going to inhale as you lower the weight down and exhale as you straighten your hands up.
You have to start by lying down supine, keeping your legs lifted straight up towards the ceiling. You have to hold the backpack in your hands, align with your shoulders. So while exhaling, you have to lift your shoulder blades off the mat, reaching up towards your feet. Inhale and lower your shoulder blades down.
For this exercise, come into the all fours position. Wrist below your shoulders and knees below your hips. You're going to engage your core muscles and lift your knees straight up towards the ceiling and lower your knees down. You're going to use your core muscles throughout. Exhale while lifting your knees up. Inhale while lowering your knees down.
You have to start in a supine position with your legs in tabletop and hands straight up towards the ceiling, holding the backpack in your hands. You have to make sure your hands are in line with your shoulders. Now, keeping your core engaged, you have to lower the backpack down behind your head, switching your legs alternatively. Now, make sure you're not holding your breath. Keep breathing.
Start with the exercise by lying down on your back, knees bent and feet parallel to each other. Get your hands straight up towards the ceiling. You're going to exhale and lift your chest diagonally up towards the right hand side and inhale and lower down. Do the same thing on the left hand side. Do this exercise alternately. Make sure your lower back is anchored down throughout the exercise. You're going to start in the sitting down position, putting equal weight on your sit bones. Keep your knees bent and feet off the mat. You're going to twist your torso to the left and to the right alternately using your obliques. Make sure your core is engaged throughout.
Guys, if you enjoyed the backpack workout, please like the video. Also share and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us.
This is Viviga signing off. Bye.
Bye bye.